Hello friends, welcome to the Baggage Allowance channel. Here we discuss airline policies related to baggage and answer your queries related to it. This video is focused on providing information about the change in check-in baggage allowance policy of Gulf Air, the premier airline of Bahrain. Gulf Air has moved away from the piece-based system of baggage allowance and has adopted the weight-based system. This shift to a weight-based system is applicable for tickets booked on and after October 27, 2024. For tickets booked prior to October 27, the allowance on a piece-based system will remain applicable and will be honored by the airline. The airline provides a calculator to find the check-in baggage allowance for your route and cabin class of travel. Now, this will feature all allowances as per the weight-based system. All additional allowances, such as for students and Falcon flyers, will also be based on weight. Students will get an extra 10 kilograms of free allowance. Infants are also allowed 15 kilograms free check-in baggage now. Even the excess baggage fee is to be calculated on the basis of weight, either it is per kilogram or in slabs of a few kilograms. Maximum size of a check-in bag shall not be more than 158 centimeters and maximum weight shall not be more than 32 kilograms. If you want to know about the old baggage policy of airline and compare with the new one, link of video is provided in the description below. Thanks for watching this video. If you find this video useful, please like and share the video. You subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to keep receiving the notifications. If you have any questions, ask these in the comments section below the video.